you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to get up out of here. Excuse me. Getting ready to leave Virginia. It's been a good time, man. It's been time to go home, man. It says 11 hours on the GPS, but you know, if you count all your stops and getting gas and fill-ups and food stops, you'd be about 13 hours or so by the time you stop enough times or traffic backups and all of that. But you know, it's been a real good time at Team Daily Hertz show. Nick, I think his name is Nick. I can't even remember his last name, but Nick with Team Daily Hertz. They did a good show. They always do a good show every year. Appreciate them for doing that, and we really enjoyed ourselves as usual. And it's good seeing all the bass heads or whatnot that come out, and you know, some of y'all came out for the first and second day, which is good either way. And, you know, some of the guys I just won't get to see unless I come over here. So you know, I had to come over here. I didn't get to come last year because it rained. I really didn't want to take the chance. But you know, we went on ahead and took the chance this time. But hopefully this thing holds about 65, 75 bucks. Well, I wish it hold less, but that ain't, you know, probably ain't gonna happen. But anyway, yeah, man, we came on that up here and you know, enjoyed ourselves. Got a lot of demos and whatnot and a lot of footage. And of course, y'all know we're gonna roll that footage out as soon as possible. Got to get home, go through it, get it edited. And sometimes I have to cut the sound out, guys. So if you hear some music loud or whatever you may hear in the background, just know, you know, it's only loud like that because the copyright. So it ain't a deal where I just don't want to play the music and all of that right there. You know, I've been going back and forth with the copyright issue for a while. So if you don't hear the music on there, then that's what it was. You know, like I say, Pearly made it. When I say Pearly made, man, that's what I call this truck, because it got the pearl paint on it and whatnot. She made it here, and hopefully she's gonna make it on back. I think she will, man. We done spent enough money on the transmission being rebuilt before. We done did that twice in this truck, which that's neither here nor there, I guess. But we, like I said, we redid that twice and cost us a small fortune. And we don't really drive this truck unless it's a show, so it's the way we try to keep it up and keep it clean and ready to go. So, like I say, man, we got some more videos on the way, and then, like I said, we got a couple more shows coming up too, man. We got a couple of them, so we're gonna, you know, get them shows going and get them uploaded, man. We hopefully get down to Florida, Indiana, back to over there to Hickory at Sundown and Ruckus, and you know, every year, man, I'm like, man, I ain't gonna go next year. I'm gonna sit it out. I'm gonna sit it every time I see it, but then when it comes time to go, it's time to go. You know, of course, this trip right here get a little expensive. All right, the phone went dead, man, and then I'm gonna see. It has 65 so far. I'm gonna put a little more in there and see what it do. All right. See if we can go ahead and get this thing right here to the full line. I don't want to stop too many times. I want to get on back. I might not make it across to the Tennessee state line, but we're gonna find out though. And we're gonna try to get on back across that to that state line on the fill up. I don't think it's gonna happen, but you know, it's always worth a try. You know, if we can get, you know, at least close, man. You know, the gas get a little cheaper the further south you get sometimes. Except when you go to Florida, it don't get no cheaper. But yeah, I'm gonna just see if I can just top this thing on off. And hopefully if they don't do it, I ain't gonna worry about it. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get on this road. And I'm gonna get out some more footage, man. Let me get on down the highway a little bit. And I'll be back.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.